Hi besties, thank you so much for watching this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning and gorgeous eye makeup look with a cut crease technique and a touch of gold glitter. Trust me, it's super easy, just stay with me step by step and let's create this stunning makeup together. So make sure to keep watching the rest of the video. To start, I'm using this gorgeous eyeshadow shade. To be more precise, this eyeshadow has a stunning waxy red color. I take a small fluffy brush and apply to the crease area. I focus on blending the crease area and continue the eyeshadow towards the outer corner of the eyelid. I also extend it towards the inner corner. Additionally, I cover the beginning of the eyelid with the eyeshadow. If you feel like it doesn't look seamless and there are some harsh lines or patchiness, don't worry at all, we'll fix all those harsh lines in the next step. I'll also try to blend and even out the eyeshadow with the same brush. I use a larger fluffy brush and apply the same eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid. Carefully blend it out. I avoid applying too much eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyelid because I'm going to perform the cut crease technique and my goal is to have the inner corner brighter, so I don't want the eyeshadow to mix with my concealer. And in this step, I blend the eyeshadow all over the lid, focusing on the outer corner and crease area until it becomes a soft, seamless gradient without any harsh lines. Additionally, the eyeshadow I chose is a powder form and I notice it blends more easily. Okay, take your favorite concealer and use a flat brush for the cut crease technique. I start with the brush from the beginning of my eyelid and draw a curved line, carefully continuing it towards the center of my eyelid. It is very easy and with the practice and repetition you can do this too. I make sure that the beginning of my eyelid is well covered with concealer all the way to the end of the lid. I use my finger instead of a brush to ensure a seamless blend without visible lines in the center of my eyelid. Trust me, this method works well and achieves a smooth and blended look. Blending eyeshadow with concealer can be challenging, so this technique is much easier. I use white eyeshadow and blend it over the concealer, and I blend these areas with a brush to ensure there are no harsh lines. I apply shimmery white eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eye, which looks really beautiful. I use the white glitter, and if you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that I use this glitter quite a lot. I apply it with an eyeliner brush starting from the inner corner of my eye and curving it towards the center. This technique gives my makeup a shiny and extra glamorous look that I absolutely love. I use this shimmery eyeshadow with a slight orange undertone and I apply it along my lower lash line. I start from the inner corner and continue until the outer corner of my lower lash line. This eyeshadow truly brings a vibrant and a sparkling effect to my makeup. So we've come to my favorite part, the gorgeous gold glitter. Trust me, this combination of eyeshadow and gold glitter is absolutely stunning. I'm totally obsessed with it. I just use my finger to dab the eyeshadow right in the middle of my eyelid. You've gotta try this eye makeup step by step with me. I'm telling you, if you get invited to a special event, this eye makeup will totally shine. I use a liquid eyeliner starting from the outer corner of my eye and continuing until the center of my eyelid. Whether it's for special occasions or daily makeup, I usually extend my eyeliner to the center of my eyelid because I feel it enhances the shape of my eyes. I use mascara, and even though my lashes are already long, but it makes my lashes look even longer than usual and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Use false eyelashes, and these manga style lashes are really cute. and this is the final eye makeup look we've been doing together in this video. Make sure to try out this beautiful eye makeup and enjoy it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. If you enjoy makeup and beauty content, I post different makeup tutorials every week on my channel, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the videos. I love you all and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!